How many minutes
The
remaining?
birds.
Finally closed the holes, huh?
I hope it's recording. Yeah, it is. Oh my god, look at
It
them.
might just be released. I don't know if this is
Oh my god.
Deboids. Me when the birds. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're kind of terrifying.
Yeah, I know. Dude, look at them. That's sick. Where's my stuff at?
You're kidding. How did you survive that?
Oh my god. Oh god, Jesus! Dive away. Oh god.
Okay, they just killed me immediately. Thought I killed them, but no.
What are my laser targets them?
Probably.
There's so many, dude. I wonder if there's like a... I guess we gotta go kill their nest. Yeah, target them.
Yeah, it's right there.
We gotta go do that. I'm just trying to get to my arc thrower.
I just need to get my backpack.
I was expecting a Bile Titan.
Nope.
He said turn around. I said, okay, what is it?
What, the charger?
It's a bird! Look at all the samples. Grab this bug nest. Dude, there's so many of them.
I know, that's an issue.
Is it? I think it's this thing?
Yeah, it is.
I can't do damage to it.
Yeah, keep the lightning's probably great for them. Just change them out of the air.
Yeah. Shrieker nest, yeah. Charger on me. Dude, I'm being like...
I got one.
Nice. Dude, where are they coming from?